Hey, what's going on? Zero Day J here, hope all is well. It's Wednesday, December 24th, Christmas Eve. The market closed 4 hours ago. I just finished streaming about 4 hours ago. And now I'm just making my update videos before Trade of 8 updates. And I wanted to show you how I'm doing in my Apex account specifically, obviously, because this video is about Apex. And here we are. This is where we're at. Let me show you everything, okay? I did have 20 funded Apex accounts to start the day. And this was the last one I traded. And I fucking blew it. Because by the time I got around to trading this, I was still up. I woke up from passing out on the couch at like 2:30 in the morning, and I think or 3 or something, and I stayed up and I was trading. I got all of this done, and then this one was right around the open or right after the open. Gold was dumping, and I don't trade gold all too well when it's going parabolic in either direction. And as you can see here, I blew the account on day one. It's the first day I had the account. It was up $200 at one point, but I couldn't lock it in, and it was moving too fast, and I kept getting stopped out, and before I knew it, the shit was gone. It's okay, though, because right after that happened, literally right after, and it took me like 5 or 10 seconds. That's what she said. I passed another one and replaced it. So what are you going to do, right? It sucks. I don't want to do that, but it happens. And I've been trading so well. I mean, look at the rest of these accounts. The reason why I didn't trade 5, 6, 7, and 8 is because I have pending payout requests. I requested 759 times 4 yesterday. And look, I'm eligible to request more payouts from 4 other accounts, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I got my day 8 in. I didn't even need to do anything, but I took a shot. I got a little bit of money. And what's funny is, obviously, if I would have fucking held, I would have had a lot more. But whatever. I'm fine with this. I'm going to be requesting, what, 707 plus 750 plus 730 plus 644. I'll be requesting another $2,831. And yesterday I requested 3,036. Yes, I get it. They're not max payouts. It could have been $16,000. I know, but that's not where the accounts were when I was eligible to request. So what do I do, and what do I always recommend everyone else do, including you? Take whatever's available when it's available. So this is what was available, and this is what I'm taking. This is just these 8 funded accounts. I also just got paid $7,672 from Bullinox, and between that and another $3,000 I got from Bullinox and the other payouts I got from Apex earlier this month, I am at $14,611. So if I were to get approved on all of these, this would put my grand total for the month at $20,478, which would be the most I've ever done. I never cracked 20,000. The closest I got was 18,700. So I'm hoping they get approved. I don't see why they wouldn't. I didn't violate any rules that I know of this time around. Now, let's talk about the rest of them. So these 4 I didn't trade, right? These are evals that came through on rebuilds. Whatever. I'll trade them, I guess. But I wasn't looking to do that today. My priority was all my funded accounts because I got a lot. Not just here with Apex, but I got another, like, what, 8? I got like 10 or 9 across other prop firms. So those 4 we just talked about. These 6, 520 to 525, got them up $300, 302, 303-ish, and now they're at 951 in total profit. After what, I don't know, 3 days, I think, 3 or 4 days. 503 and 504 were the ones that got denied. And 504, I requested what, $705? And 503, I requested $1,746, almost a max payout. But now I'm really in max payout land, and I'm going to be requesting $2,000 on each of these. I'm on day 7 with 504, I think, and day 6 right now with 503. So Friday will be day 8 because the market's closed tomorrow for Christmas. Friday will be day 8. I don't even need to grow the account anymore, but I'll try a little bit. I'll keep myself on a tight leash. And then Monday will be day 8 for 504, or vice versa. I gotta look. Let me open up that page. Charts, PA charts. All right. So I got denied on Tuesday for 504. Sorry. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's 7 days because today counts as a full day. Friday will be day 8 for 504. And then I got denied the day after for 503. So Monday will be day 8 for that. So I'll be requesting another 4,000 between Friday and Monday. Now, in addition to that, I have other accounts that are right there. They're almost at the buffer, which is these two, 513 and 517. They're in the same situation in terms of days traded. 513 is on day 7. I got 7 days in with that one, and 517 is on day 6. They're being traded together because their balances were identical after like 1 or 2 days of trading, so I put them together. So those right now, as you can see here, day 7, 513, and day 6. So Friday will be day 8 for 513, and Monday will be day 8 for 517. So obviously they're not as high in terms of their balance, but if I get it over the buffer, I'm gonna request. I don't really care anymore. I'm just stacking payouts, as you can see. I'm on pace to request another, what was it? 2831 plus 4,000 plus around 1,200, maybe more. 8 grand between today, which I'm gonna do right now, and Monday. What other accounts do I have? I got this Lone Survivor 526 is by itself. This account's by itself. This account was a pain in the ass to trade. I kept being green, like up, and then trying to get more and giving it back and going down. It was like a seesaw, and then I finally finished up $1,186. So now I got to grow this thing to like just under 4,000, which is fine. Because at that point, I might as well just go for a max payout. So we're looking good. And then I'll have this one replacing the one I blew. So let's request some payouts, shall we? 509. What's the most I can request? 707. That's what I'll request. I agree. Blah, blah, blah. There's one. 510. 750. There's 2. 511. 730. There's 3. And last but not least, account number 512 for $644. Everything counts. That pays for something. There it is. So now I have 8 pending payouts for a total of, what was it? 3036. 5,867. I was hoping I would get approved today for the payouts I requested yesterday, but it's Christmas Eve, so I don't expect anybody to be around, but maybe Friday I'll get a decision. Or Monday. Hopefully Monday at least, at the very least. So there we are. Anyway, I don't know if Apex is running any sales right now. The $25 reset, the $25 resets might still be in play. And I'm pretty sure the discounted lifetime activation fee, one-time payment, is still in play. It's anywhere from 65 to 125, depending on the account size, which I'm hoping it still is because I'm about to pay the activation fee for the one I just passed today. So anyway, with that said, if you need to grab accounts, I would wait. But if you absolutely want to trade with Apex so bad and you want to grab an account right now, my link's in the description below. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. When they're running deals, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. My code just happens to have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate according to the prop firm Streets. I don't have any actual data to confirm that other than the DGen data. But it's the best code. With that said, if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any of my updates. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.